This is why before investing in a cryptocurrency, you have to get your technical foundations correct. So in this video, I'm going to analyze, should you invest in AIOS for fundamental investing or value investing, basically long-term investing. So from my perspective as a software engineer, this is what I can see, okay? Let's take a look at their website, their value proposition, the problem they're trying to solve. So they say AIOS Foundation towards AI Agent Operating System. AIOS Foundation is a research foundation for AI Agent Operating System dedicated to nurturing the open source AIOS agent ecosystem, driven by the innovative, powerful, and private LLM agent operating system and the AIOS agent infrastructure. Okay, so if you are a emotional driven person, you will see this as technical and sophisticated and interesting and so on and so forth. Reality is, what problem are they solving? If you're a technical person, you will see the problem, the technical side. What problem are they solving? Using AI agents on an operating system, that's already solved. And we can already use AI agents on an operating system. So what are they really solving? So apparently they're just using AI agents on an operating system, and they want to put it on a lower level, but there's no need to do that because AI agents don't need to operate at a lower level because it works on NVIDIA GPUs and it doesn't work on a CPU. And if it works on a CPU, it's going to clog it because it has too much data for the CPU. So there's no real reason to put it there from the technical standpoint. So this project lacks the fundamentals, and I believe that it could work much better if they partner with innovative AI software engineers like me, for example, which we could create something that is more technical, more innovative, that can actually solve a real problem and in the real world, not do something that everyone else is already doing. Everyone can run AI agents on their computers right now for free and very efficiently. There's a negligible amount of efficiency to be getting. It's amazing. The community is investing $40 million in a project that doesn't really even solve a problem, but in the memecoin community, that's totally normal. As you can see, people invest in FAAP, which absolutely has no fundamentals, solves absolutely no problem. And as you guys can see, they're investing even crazier, faster, and all that stuff. And so, yeah. So if you want to know, should you invest in AIOS? I believe short term, probably, yeah. If the team doesn't like figure out their stuff the long term, then I don't think this is a sound investment for the long term because I don't see any value being any problem being solved from the real world. Like, and I have nothing against you guys. I really hope you guys succeed. I really hope you guys find somehow a way your path in the world and have a lot of success. I would love to help you guys out, but for the time being, I'm not investing in this thing. First of all, it's a $40 million market cap, and there's no real tangible solution in the world. So I am still looking for something that has real world applications, and I have found that, and it's Vivid. It's this AI agent that builds itself. So I believe this one has potential, real potential. There's a lot of insiders going on, but when they are all buying at the same time, it's a good thing. And as you guys can see, it's 200 million market cap, which is way more money than the other guys. So that's my that's my market update for this AIOS. Currency, like I said, no hard feelings. I really wish you guys success. I really want to help you guys out. Wish you guys the best, but the fundamentals, gotta get it right. You gotta fix that, because how are you gonna survive in the future? Like, if you don't really solve any real world problems. So that's my 2 cents. Please like, share, subscribe. Have a wonderful day, guys. I love you guys. Thank you for watching.